Hi
Yeah.
guys, so today is Parents Day and we have a very special guest with us, Sneha Lata Jain with us. She's a mom influencer and a travel blogger. She's also awarded as the best parenting influencer by Exchange Media. So Sneha, how are you?
I'm so fine, and thank you for asking. And thank you for inviting for today's live as
It's
a
our
Parents'
pleasure
Day.
to host you.
Thank you so much.
So,
And you know, with you guys, it's a long time relation, so I don't mind ever.
so Sneha, can you tell our audience a little about your journey, how you started and everything?
So the answer, would I say, is like I started this journey in 2012 when my daughter was born. Before that, I was a working person. I was doing a job in a college. I was teaching. I was an associate professor. And then I realized that I cannot go out now because my daughter is very small and I need to take a break. And that's the reason I started doing Facebook influencing, Twitter influencing first, because there was no Instagram that time. That was not hyped because it was just a photo sharing app, and that was also with public. It was private, not even public. You were supposed to share with only with your friends, and slowly the evolution happened, and then Instagram is now everywhere, and so now we are called as Instagram influencer or like that. But actually we started this journey way before when the influencer came in this industry actually.
So basically you started as a mom influencer only.
Yes, I didn't knew what is influencing, and I started sharing my daughter's detail about what I use for her, what I do, because people used to ask me and I used to post it. People used to tell me कि यार इतना सब publicly क्यों डालते हो, that time. But that time I didn't realize, but later on people started following me for this key, I have seen your daughter wearing that dress, can you tell me from where you got? So then, this is how the influencing were actually came.
Yeah, now you have a
But
family of 100k plus followers, right?
yeah, I have an 39K followers right now. Yeah.
Okay, so balancing between being a parent and an influencer is a very tough job. It's like a superhero job. So how do you manage that all?
See, our job is such a job where our kids are also part of our work. So, 90% time they are also part of our videos. And we enjoy making videos, we laugh, we have fun. So, when you talk about balancing, it's only hard or tough when I go out. And
Yeah.
that time my husband helps me out, my mom helps me out, my maid helps me out where she's there to take care of my kids. And also I have trained my kids in that way that now they're adjusted to this environment. They understand that mama has to go out and they enjoy my work. So they help me. So I have able to manage over the time that now everything is smooth line. So it's a key to the balance, like you can make your family understand what you're doing.
So how do you come up with those new ideas that involve your kids in your content?
See, basically, I enjoy traveling with my kids.
Yeah.
And when you travel, no, you see a lot of things with your kid which you are not aware at home also. So when we go out, we understand, this is something new which we should put. And when we travel, we see a lot of difference in our kids. They see a lot of things. They ask us, and that's how I understand. Okay, this can help the other parents. When you were traveling, what all tips you should understand, how to take care of your kids, how to make sure. My main motto was always how to make sure that your kids behave well when they are going out, so that the other parents are also seeing and taking inspiration out that we should take the kids like this. So that is how, when we are traveling a lot of things, and my kids also tell me, and then when they ask me the question, I understand, okay, this is how a content can be created out of it. And of course I create a lot of relatable content, I create a lot of lifestyle which is happening in my life. I'm not just taking out from the trend and putting it like this. I'm just thinking my daughter, if she is growing teenage, so what all thoughts she is going through. My son who is 4 year old, तो वो टॉडलर से अभी इन्फेंट से टॉडलर स्टेज पे है, तो वो क्या सोचता है, तो मैं उस हिसाब से ही अपना कंटेंट बनाती हूँ, ना कि ट्रेंड को फॉलो करती हूँ एक्चुअली.
Okay, so apart from making content and traveling with your kids, what's your favorite activity to do with them? Like as a mom, मैं ये करती हूँ यार अपने बच्चों के साथ on free times or on weekends.
So see, I love I love going out. Basically, Saturday, Sundays are something where we decide कि हमें आज बाहर जाना है, भले वो मॉल ही क्यों ना हो. So because it helps out to vent out your 5 days of studies with your kids, because my daughter has a little difficult schedule or timetable where I have to manage a lot, and my son is a younger, so he also needs equal time. So we make sure Saturday, Sunday, especially weekends, we go out. थोड़े ही time के लिए, but we go out. So the going out is one thing, that is my hobby actually, that I go always. And second, I always make sure that I go for a walk. 1 hour of me time I take in a walk. I don't take phone, and I just think, what all things I can do today or tomorrow. So walking, and the rest of the hobbies, my daughter is now a very teenage stage, and I have to do a lot of things with her. So बहुत सारी चीज तो उसी में चली जाती है.
Okay, okay. So if you could describe your parenting style in just 3 words, what would be?
So first thing is, I'm very friendly with my kids. My kids actually take me as a friend. So honestly, the first thing is being honest with the child. I never hide anything, and they never hide anything to me. मतलब डैडी से एक बार वो डरेंगे, पर मुझसे नहीं डरते. Even something bad happened in the school, they will come and tell me. So first thing is being an honest parent. Second is friendly, that is gentle parenting. Strict, yet you need to understand your kid's pace, because you have also been to that phase. And third, lot of humor at our home. We laugh. We laugh for any reason.
What's the most rewarding part of being a mom influencer?
Okay. That you get to work and also be with your kids.
Like if they want to start as an influencer or new moms in general, so what advice would you give to them?
I would give one advice, is that be first be parent to your kids. Understand your kids and then start sharing it. Because something which suits to your kids may not suit to the other kids. So always put disclaimer that this is for my kids, may or may not suit to your kids.
Speaking of tips, what's that one parenting tip you wish कि आपको पहले से पता होता यार, फिर जब मेरे बच्चे छोटे थे तब से पता होता?
So that one tip which I want to tell every new mom is that whenever your child starts solid, when they start eating, try and introduce the best food from the very start, because the taste palate actually starts from developing, from that time itself. So sometimes हमें कुछ पसंद नहीं होता है, इसलिए हमने बच्चे को ट्राई भी नहीं कराया होता है, और कुछ हमें लगता है कि हमारा बच्चा नहीं लेगा, पर ऐसा नहीं है. अगर हमने उसको सॉलिड के फेस से सब कुछ टेस्ट करवाया, तो बाय द टाइम फोर्थ ईयर और 5th ईयर जहाँ पे वो अपने सेंस को समझ सकता है, वो उसको रिजेक्ट नहीं करेगा. So the best parenting would, I would say, is try and give your kid different varieties of food every day, so that they develop the taste, and you will also understand, gradually that yes, this is the best thing my child can have it. And healthy चीजें की आदत डालने पे वो healthy, जैसे मेरा सन जो है वो हमेशा ब्रोकली या फ्रूट तो खाता ही है, टिफिन में उसको 2 फ्रूट चाहिए, बिकॉज हमने स्टार्टिंग से ये हैबिट लगाई है. ऐसा नहीं कि वो जंक नहीं खाता, बट जो मेन उसका होता है कि खाना मतलब जो है वो हेल्दी चीजें होनी चाहिए, ये मेंटेलिटी हमने स्टार्ट से डेवलप करी. एंड इफ यू सीन माय पास्ट वीडियो, इन केस माय ऑडियंस आल्सो नोज that he was the avid broccoli lover. I don't know, we have never eaten, but he was the avid broccoli, because I started with broccoli and he started loving broccoli, beans, and now he eats. The taste have developed. So that's the tip, when you start solid, try with new recipes every day.
That's a very healthy habit though. Okay.
Yes.
So do you have any special plans for today? Like today it's Parents' Day, special plans with your kids or something like that?
So the special thing would be, for my parents also, that I'm so thankful for thankful to the God that they are the one who has been a God for me, because they have given me birth. And same goes to other parents and other children who are, we are the parents for their children. So basically, the affectionate of being in living with your parents cannot be, like people who live in neutral and people who live in joint family have a vast difference. And I believe your grandparents, your parents can teach you what others cannot. So, in this Parents' Day, I think your child should have attachment to your grandparents, be it Nana Nani or Dada Dadi. But that feeling, that mutual feeling cannot be cannot be compared with anybody else. They whatever they teach, it might be same case with you as well because you must be loving your granny or your nani. So my kids are very much affectionate with my parents, and I am very happy and blessed that most of the thing which I cannot teach, they teach, and that's how they are very affectionate with them also.
Okay,
So
so
I
before we wrap up,
guess, yes, yes.
any final thoughts or advices or feedbacks or anything in general that you want to share to your audience or our audience over here?
I would say enjoy in the moment. Don't think about the future. Don't think about the past. Let's work hard for today so that our future is already set to everybody. This is what I always say: live, laugh, life. That's the motto of live and let live. So enjoy whatever you are at the present. Like sometimes you have bad phase or good phase, but that is a phase. That will come. It's a cycle of your life. So be at the moment.
It was so good talking to you. This chit chat was very special for me also. That's all for today. Thank you, Sneha, for joining us. It was a pleasure to
Thank
host
you
you.
so much, and I'm so sorry about my bad throat. I don't know, suddenly it aggravated, but I'm so sorry.
It
But
was
my
very
audience
sweet
knows that
of you that you came here with a bad throat as well.
I, I love sharing my stories with people. If they really want to understand, and my audience know me from so many years, so they know how it happened. So I was not well from last 4 days, and suddenly it got aggravated today. But anyways, thank you so much for this opportunity. I could share my story, and I hope this will help to other moms as well.
Thank you once again, Sneha.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
for everyone who
Isha.
joined us. Thank
Thank
you.
you,
That's all for today.
creators.
Bye bye.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Bye bye.